Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to give you a brief look at the functionality available on the Diary Sidebar. Throughout the GoodX web, accessing your patient's data and performing actions on their account is made easy by the use of sidebars. The Diary Sidebar offers an array of functions to utilize, such as editing a patient's electronic file, to even being able to download statements. You're also able to customize your Diary Sidebar to the needs of your practice, adding or removing buttons at your discretion. For a more comprehensive explanation of the features and sections covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. From your diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The Diary Sidebar will open. Right at the top of the sidebar is the easy-to-read patient demographic information. Get a quick look at the patient's and medical aid accounts, conveniently marked in red if amounts are in arrears, or marked green if in good standing. Any stickers linked to your patient's profile will be displayed with their set colors, and when clicked on, a Dharma protocol screen will open where various actions can be performed. A booking can be moved from its present stage to the next by clicking on the Advanced Status button. The color and name of the booking status will change depending on the setup done for your practice and can be easily changed in settings. Now we will go over the various buttons available on the Diary Sidebar. Click on the Patient Dashboard button to get quick access to your patient's script history, vitals, previous notes, and pathology results. To add dependents or edit your patient's electronic file, click on the Debtor Edit button. To access your patient's past clinical forms and notes, click on the Clinical History button. Conveniently view the whole payment history and financial information for the patient and debtor by clicking on the Account Details button. Once the patient's consultation has been completed, click on the Invoice button to start the billing process. A quick and easy method to make all of the necessary clinical notes relating to the patient in one location is to click the Clinical button to view the clinical case screen. Please note that if you're in a dental practice, then the Clinical button will be replaced by a Dental button. The Clinical button can, however, still be accessed by clicking on the up arrow. Once the debtor has made all of the necessary payments, click on the Receipt button where you can log the payments into the system and provide a proof of payment to the debtor. Conveniently download and print the patient's booking information onto a label by clicking on the Print Booking Label button. To import the patient's details from their MyGC profile, click on the MyGC button. For any kiosk-related actions, click on the up arrow. From here you can send custom forms, consent forms, as well as confirm details at the kiosk and even reset the kiosk. You can SMS, dial, or email the patient or debtor by clicking on the respective buttons. Please note that the VoIP must first be enabled by your practice before the ability to call becomes available and can be requested through your designated FCL. Payment requests can be sent to patients and debtors as a reminder that there is payments outstanding for services rendered at the practice. Access your Harmony site directly from the diary screen by clicking on the Harmony Launch button. Additional quick actions are also available with the Harmony integration by clicking on the up arrow. Patient and debtor documentation can conveniently be added to a single location by clicking on the Add Documents button. To rebook the selected patient for a future date, click on the Add Appointment button. You can download the invoice and receipt for the current appointment once generated, as well as a statement for the entire debtor's account by clicking on the respective buttons. Next to each download button is an up arrow that you can click to reveal additional options.